हमारे घर में हम 4 जनरेशन साथ में रहते हैं एंड आई एम अ वर्किंग वुमन, सो वेरी लिटिल टाइम इन द किचन, और रोज का यही ड्रामा।
मम्मा प्लीज़ अब आज बोरिंग खाना मत बनाना, आज कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होना चाहिए।
प्रणव, कैन यू प्लीज कम एंड हेल्प मी?
प्रणव जोशी, प्रोफेशनल शेफ, एंटरप्रेन्योर। मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके घर के अंदर मेरी बेस्ट ऑफ द कुकिंग सीक्रेट्स शेयर करने के लिए।
Let's go, let's see who's here.
Hi.
Hi, I'm so glad to see you. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. So I know your problem, मुझे पता है.
Okay.
So before I solve that, I need to see your fridge. So let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, please come.
Come.
I think they're very happy to have you here.
I hope that I fulfill their desire. That's most important.
Yes, I'm
Can I
sure
see?
you will. Yeah, please have a look.
Okay. We can take carrots.
Okay.
You like carrot? Alright, we'll use carrot. Capsicum.
My favorite capsicum.
You don't like it?
He loves it.
Oh, you like it? Good. Here. So we can have capsicum. You can put it there. What else we have? We can use cabbage as well, a little bit of cabbage. And what is that? Tabasco?
Okay.
Perfect.
I have some leftover rice and roti, if you can incorporate that in.
Sure.
This would be the rice, and this would be the roti.
Okay, we'll use that. So we can put this here. Can you wash that all nicely?
And here.
Thank you. All right, so you can peel that for me. Can you peel that?
Okay.
So अभी मुझे पता है मुझे क्या बनाना है. I have seen all the ingredients. मेरे पास vegetables है. There is leftover rotis which are there. Also there is some rice as well. तो वो सबको incorporate करके I'm planning to make something which is not exactly like a Mexican, but it will be very close to Mexican and something continental. So let's hope we can make something very nice out of it.
इसमें अपने और क्या वेजिटेबल्स यूज कर सकते हैं?
I know kids don't like it, but I like eggplant. So if you grill the eggplant with olive oil और ये सब vegetables के साथ, it tastes fantastic. So you can always add just slice the eggplants, just salt, pepper, olive oil, and just grill it, and then slice it, and it can go in the this burrito what we are cooking right now. So I'm just chopping the cabbage right now. उसको भी shred कर लेंगे exactly how we have done ये दूसरे vegetables को.
कैबेज को क्रिस्पी रखने के लिए what is the best thing to do?
So best thing to do any vegetable or any herbs to keep it crispy is ठंडे पानी के आप अंदर आप उसको ठंडा बाथ दे दीजिए for 1 hour. They will be nice and crispy.
Okay. So should we put ice in it या सिर्फ ठंडा पानी होगा तो भी
Ice हो तो much better, but if it's really chilled water, then it works well.
Okay.
इसको सौते कर लेंगे. So take we can take that. Yeah. Okay. So we'll put 1 tablespoon जितना olive oil.
Okay.
And as soon as it's hot, so इसको quickly stir fry करना है हमको. तो इसके अंदर salt डाल देंगे थोड़ा सा.
Yes. Ask him.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so when you put salt or any masala, you put धीरे on the side, so it can go everywhere. Okay, we'll put little bit of chili powder. That's it. Alright, so we will add Tabasco sauce just for the hint of a tanginess, and I'll put a little bit of ketchup.
Alright. उसको अगर स्पाइसी नहीं करना तो टबास्को की जगह कुछ और यूज़ कर सकते
सो
हैं?
उसकी जगह पे आप इफ़ यू ऐड टमाटो और समथिंग विच इज़ लिटिल सिट्रसी, थोड़ा सा खट्टा टेंगीनेस जो आए, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज ऐड टमाटोज एज वेल इफ यू वांट. Okay, so finally we are putting just little bit of pepper. Okay, so I'm just mixing that. Okay, so Anna, you like cheese?
Yes, I love cheese.
You love cheese? Perfect. So please get me 2 cubes of cheese.
Cubes, okay.
Whatever you have.
Yeah, we have a block. You
Okay.
need a bigger grater?
So you will grate it for me? Perfect. If I was cooking it for myself, तो मैंने ये जितनी चीज़ की क्वांटिटी है मैंने उसको डबल कर दिया होता, because I love cheese. We are almost there with the burrito. Burrito can be deep fried as well. इसको बंद करके in a nice pocket and you just seal it and then deep fried. I hope that this dish comes up nice.
Really fantastic. So
Okay, so what we'll do is इसके अंदर हल्का सा केचप लगाएंगे.
You can add piri piri.
You want me to add peri peri? Sure?
Sure.
पक्का? ठीक है. As you say, you have to eat it. So
Very
let
little.
little.
That's
That's
it.
it? Okay. Let's see now. Better. We'll just put it here. Perfect. So thank you so much. You know कि किचन के अंदर जो शेफ है उनके बाद जो पोजीशन है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? It is called sous chef. So you are my sous chef from now. Okay? Perfect. So ये ready हो चुका है. So what happens in US, Mexico? Tacos आता है, soft taco and hard corn tacos जो आता है, right? Deep fried tacos आता है. So this is almost like a soft taco. और soft taco जब भी खाते हैं तो वो गिरता है नीचे. But it is damn tasty and I love it. So ये जब खाएंगे तब ये थोड़ा गिरेगा, but that is completely okay. As far as it is tasty, कोई problem नहीं है. So इसको टेस्ट करेंगे आप? Let's do that. And bite it from the center so you have a rice. That's it. I like that big full bite. How is it? Nice? Spicy? Not spicy. You like the cheese inside? Good. अगर आपको भी ये रेसिपी पसंद आई है तो ऐसी टेस्टी और क्विक रेसिपीज़ के लिए आप मेरे YouTube चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब करिए. If you like, then please comment, share, whatever you like it, but please cook home.